po jako akawuwo.
Mu lukuŋŋaana ab'ekitongole ekiwuza ky'omusolo mu ggwanga ekya Uganda Revenue Authority lwe babaddemu n'ekitongole ekirwanirira abaguzi b'ebyamaguzi ekya Consumers Protection Association wamu n'abakugu okuva mu nsi za East Africa mu kibuga Kampala. Bano basabye amawanga agali ku mukago guno okuwa we batuuse wamu n'enkulaakulana gye batuuseeko mu kusolooza omusolo.
I was a training manager in the bank. I was supervising training for all postal banks in this region. Some of you may not have been born by that. Young girls and boys I've seen here. I was the regional training coordinator for postal banks.
Bano bagamba nti wadde bakola waliwo okusoomozebwa kwe bazze bakoleramu mu mawanga gye bagenze okukolera.
Have you ever heard somebody saying if he's not a member of Yoga he cannot go to class? That is what they said. And I had to get on the plane. I had to go to Bujumbura. I had to meet the both parties. The minister had to talk to me. It was so serious. And told me, Anala, what is happening? I told him, Mr. Minister, this is just a learning process.
Ate Diana Kabimba ategeezezza nti olukuŋŋaana lwa leero kino kye kibiina ekibaddewo okumala ebbanga nga naye tekimanyiddwa era n'alambulula lwaki beegasse ku URA.
All the goods that are going through the region, if they go through Mombasa or Dar es Salaam, they'll go through Uganda. However, we're not doing very much with that comparative advantage. That's where the National Logistics Platform has come in, partnering, of course, with our government agencies to see how we can organize the industry. So when you look at capacity building initiatives like this, and it's important to note that the transport and logistics sector has different sectors within. So we have freight forwarders, we have people in warehousing, we have transporters who are the truckers.
Ono alambuludde n'omugaso gw'ekibiina kino mu ggwanga Uganda.
They have created a training program, a capacity building program, but it's continuous. So there are changes in the industry every now and then. As you all know, you saw when the pandemic came, attacked all of us, logistics operators, truckers were treated as an essential service.
Ye Julius Wamuno omubaka wa logistics mu ggwanga erya Kenya annyonnyodde ekibiina kino kye kitegeeza eri amawanga agali mu mukago guno.
Most important part to bear in mind is that the work of developing our regions, our countries belong to us. Whether we are in the public or private sector, we are one and the same thing. It's only that government entities are sitting on one side and we the private sector on the other side, but basically they are driving the same agenda. And therefore we need a concerted effort between the two stakeholders so that we can be able to push the capacity building and professionalization of the freight logistics sector together.
Nze Matias Kanjako kulwa ABS Television.
We are doing this for 3 reasons. One, we want to enhance compliance with rules and regulations.